Hey real estate investors, have you ever been overwhelmed trying to sort through emails and social media posts just to find a deal that meets your buy box? Have you ever missed out on a deal because you didn't see an email or a post quickly enough to make an offer? I'm Jared with Wholster, and I want to show you a better way to find deals. Let's go. The Wholster app is a totally mobile marketplace for off-market and wholesale real estate. It provides time-saving marketing solutions for wholesalers and provides buyers with a robust filtering system to filter out deals that don't meet their criteria so that they can get notified immediately about the ones that do. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to save search criteria inside the app so that you can get notified about new deals in your market. And if you're not seeing any deals right now, just saving the criteria inside the app is a powerful tool. It lets you set it and forget it so that when new deals do come online, you're gonna get notified. Okay, so now that we've got the app up, I'm gonna show you how to use the filters. First thing we wanna do is go to the menu and hit the filtering screen. This is where you're gonna save all your search criteria. Now there's a lot of ways you can do that. Maybe you're looking for rental properties in a certain zip code, or you're a flipper and you're focusing on the first-time home buyer's price range. All that can be done here. So let's do a search for ARVs under 500K, and I'm good with any bedrooms. Let's do single family, and let's do a zip code, 21093. Okay, so now we just need to save the filter, and that brings up a new screen where you can name it. So let's do flips in 21093. And then we can select how often we want to be notified about new deals. I like to be notified immediately, so I'm going to select that. Okay, and then the next thing we want to do is hit save. Now that filter is saved inside the app. If you want to access all your saved filters, just go to this tab here at the top called Saved, and that's going to be where everything is stored. Now, if you have new deals that meet search criteria in one of those filters, you're going to get a little indicator on that filter. You just click it and it'll take you right there. At Wholster, we're trying to make it more convenient for investors to do deals. Time is our most valuable asset. Spending it rummaging through emails and creating complicated marketing campaigns means we're spending less time growing our businesses and ourselves in meaningful ways. So subscribe here for more content on how to do just that, and download the Wholster app today on the App Store and the Google Play Store.